everybody. It's this guy here for the tch'n report. Last night I was working on another project and shot over to the Mimic to look at some patterns. And sure enough, we have got another, what I am now going to call some kind of a microwave energy coming in from Africa to the Gulf of Mexico up here. Take a watch. Then I want to show you a few other things that, see that right there? Bang, bang, bang. Let's go back and watch that again. That's backwards. Every time this little yellow dot moves, that's 1 hour. This is crazy. This is crazy. What could possibly be stationed right here that has that kind of power? We don't know. That kind of power could come in a briefcase at this point, for all we know. A couple other things that I noticed, very interesting. Let's see how fast I could do this. I want to make this short. Over here, I noticed we've got some weather modification going on right here. But right before this microwave energy blasts off, we get a few little blurbs on the screen here, and right here, you see these? There's going to be a couple more that pop up down here above Antarctica, but keep your eye on these two right here. Did you notice that? We'll do it in reverse because it's the same thing. So what we got is, right now, you can see they're purple, meaning no moisture, blue, yellow, orange, red, back down to yellow, orange, blue, back down to nothing. And the big crazy thing is, it didn't move. Neither of those two dots moved. See? Neither of them moved. Watch down here. You can see something else going on. This is also probably a weather modification deal right here. You could see right here that it's red. Not that purple background. It's too dark for that. See that? And then we got these circles right here. I'm running longer than I wanted to. Bang. I'm going to do this real quick. Look at these concentric circles. There's one right there. There's one went on right there. There's one going right there. These are happening all over the planet. Look at this one. This also corresponds with that mirroring effect. I don't know what else to really call it. But again, these are happening all over the planet. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this because the real deal is to check out that microwave deal. But we have got a really good view of these rings right here. Coming up, come on, there we go. Again, every time that yellow dot moves up there, that's 1 hour. In 1 hour, that appears. That's some pretty heavy-duty juice going on. And then you can see we've got some weather modification going on up here in the northern Pacific.
Oh. Yeah, for some reason or another, you sound a little taller on radio.
All right. So that's it. I want to make this as short as I can. Want to give everybody a heads up. They're shooting this off again. You guys on the East Coast, keep your eyes out for the weather. Weather may change over there. We'll see. For the tch'n report, I'm this guy here, bringing you the information you need to be an informed human being.